What's up, y'all? We're up here in Macedonia, Georgia, on our way from North Carolina to Gilbert, South Carolina with this tiny house. I stopped to do a safety check on my tires. Figured I'd show this thing to you guys. It's a really nice unit. It's got the metal roof on it and the hardy siding, painted hardy siding. Composite decking on it, wrought iron rails. It's got the 9-foot ceilings and the can recessed lights on it. Pretty nice. It's got an area where you can put a ceiling fan if you pull that cover off. Show you all the inside. This thing smells just like a log cabin. It's got that strong wood smell to it. It's got big old windows in here, 9-foot ceilings. You got your ceiling fan. And here in the kitchen, it's a little bit wider. It's got 10-foot 6-inch ceilings in here, so it's very spacious. Got your rustic shelves, lots of counter space. Lots of space up there too. It's a big shelf up top. Decent sized refrigerator, electric stove. You got your desk right there. This area here is 12 by 16. This kitchen and dining room area. And here's your bedroom. It's got pocket doors here. The bedroom is 8 by 12. It's got 9-foot ceilings, got your AC unit. Looks like probably a queen bed would probably be able to fit in here. You got the rustic barn doors here. And here is the bathroom. You got 2 sinks, 9-foot ceilings as well. You got the closet here. Probably 2 foot by 5 foot. Also a pocket door. Then you've got your stackable washer and dryer. The shower. Pretty nice unit. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get back on the road. Hope y'all enjoyed that. We'll get some footage of the trip as well. If you like this kind of footage, then please like and subscribe. There'll be more to follow.